Do you think we'll make it out of this jungle?
Only if we stay alert. This place doesn't forgive mistakes. We save each other.
You saved
every
me.
day until the jungle spits us out or swallows us whole.
This powerful AI lets you generate 5 to 8 videos for free every single day. With just one click, you can turn text into video, apply popular effects like the microwave filter, flying, or AI squish, and bring your ideas to life in seconds. First, you need to register and create an account. Just sign up using the link in the description box below. Once you are in, it will take you straight to this easy to use interface. And I would like to say thanks to Vidnoz for sponsoring this video. Start with the image to video. So we're gonna need to bring one of the images into this box. Once your image is ready, you can come here to the second options, and then we click right here, and then we're gonna get these 3 models. So we're gonna go with the base one, the Vidnoz Max Pro. So I'm gonna just click right there and then come here to the video length. You can just choose 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So I'm just gonna go with the 5 seconds, and then come here to generation mode with high performance or high quality. So I'm gonna go with the high performance, and then the video description, so it's optional, you don't need to put it, but I'm gonna make sure that I put it so that I command the AI to do exactly as I wish. Okay, and then we come here to unwanted add content. So you can just add something that you don't want the AI to add on your videos, like, or I can say a negative prompt, and I just put something here, and then I come here to generate now. So I'm gonna just click right here, and then I'm gonna wait for some few seconds. So let's see the results. Let's just put it in. Okay, that's so great. Okay, that's so beautiful, man. Okay, so I just brought another image, so we're gonna just come here to the video description, and then I'm gonna just remove this one and then put the new one. Okay, let's have a look at some of the results that were generated by the Vidnoz Max Pro. So let's just click right here. So this is the second image that we created by the Vidnoz Max Pro. So I'm actually happy with the results. So this is another one. Let's just have a look and see how effective this model is. So I'm actually impressed with how the image turn out to be. They are actually very interesting, and then the action is also there. So I'm actually happy with the results. So if you're not happy, you can just doing it again. Make sure that you change your prompt so that it can actually do exactly how you want it to create the video. So I'm actually excited with how everything has turned out to be. When you are satisfied with what AI has generated for you, you can just come here and then you download the video. Okay, so we're gonna move to the video effects. So we're gonna need to click right here on video effects, and then we're gonna come here to this, click on this, and we're gonna just have to look at what this feature has. So we've got the kissing video, so we've got AI Jesus hug and AI melt everything. We've got the boom boom, AI super saiyan, and then also the AI baby. And it's actually turning your image into a baby video. We also have this microwave filter, so, and also we have this flying model, and then we've got the puppy hugs, and then the AI squish trend. So if you are interested into this, you can just come and then see which one is actually gonna work with your videos. You've got the muscles and the crash 10. There are a lot that you can use for your videos. Okay, so if you are interested into this, just come to the Vidnoz AI and then have a look at them and then see which one is actually going to be effective into your creations. All right, so we're gonna just start with the AI baby so that we can just see how it's going to turn this beautiful model of ours into the baby. Okay, then we're gonna come here to choose a target effect. So we're gonna go with the AI baby. We just wanna see if it's going to turn this lady into a baby. So I'm gonna just click right here and then I'm gonna scroll down and then hit generate now. Okay, so these are the results. Let's just check it out. Let's click here and then let's put it on the big screen. So this is how beautiful this is. Oh my god, this is great, man. Looks perfect. It looks great. So we've got another one right here for the flying one. So I'm gonna just come here to this and then remove this image and then bring another one. Okay, so we're gonna come here and then we're going to use the flying one. So I'm gonna click right here and then scroll down. This is gonna take like 5 credits, so we're gonna just come here and then generate. Okay, so we've got the result for the second one. Let's just have a look. Oh, that's so great, man. Okay, so we're gonna move to the text to video one. So we're gonna click right here and then we're gonna come here so that we can input the text to generate the video. So I'm just gonna click here and then paste it. Okay, so we're gonna come here to the model width. So we're gonna click right here and then you need to select the model that you prefer. So I'm gonna choose the Vidnoz Max Pro. So I'm gonna click right here and then come here to the video length. I'm gonna leave it on 5 seconds and then the aspect ratio depending on what you are creating. So I'm gonna go with a 16.9 and then the generation mode I'm gonna leave it on high performance, and then unwanted contact is optional. So if you don't want to put anything, you can just leave it like that. Okay, let's just have a look at the results. Let's just click right here and then we put it on the big screen. Oh my god, the actions in that clip, I just love it. So I just created a video using only the text, and honestly speaking, I'm pretty impressed with the results. It was so simple and fast. I just entered my text and it turned it into a video in minutes. The way it brought my words to life is honestly pretty amazing. So if you like to try it for yourself, please use the link in the description box below for easy access to this tool. And I'm afraid we came to the end of our tutorials for today, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.